Hi, welcome back. Oh, you can't see me. We've just put 3 mils of all the different pineapples. We've got fresh, tinned, and I also did some distilled water. You can figure out why would I do distilled water. Thinking. For my experiment, do I need to do distilled water? Right, so I'm going to put test tubes 1, 6, and 11 in ice water. 1, 6, 11 in ice water. Now, in the experiment, it says 0 degrees. Will my ice water be 0 degrees? Why not? If I've got head shaking, my ice water won't be 0 degrees because what is it at 0 degrees? It's frozen, it's not water anymore. So that might be a modification or a refinement that you need to make. Maybe you can't get it down to 0 degrees. Maybe you have to go about 5 degrees or something. It's very hard to cool things down accurately within our scientific lab. We've got the hot baths that can do a really nice job at heating things up to an exact temperature, but cooling things down is quite tricky. So the actual temperature I'm recording on my 0 degrees one. Oh, sorry if you're on the stream, it's not going to go anywhere. It's hard to read these ones. It's about 4 degrees, which is probably about right. So 0 to 5, 4 degrees. Okay. All right, next one. I'm going to put in, so that's my first set, 2, 7, 12 in test tube rack at room temperature. So here they go. Let's go, little babies. Room temperature. Have a look. So at room temperature, well, it actually is a little bit below room temperature, this one. It's reading just under 20 degrees, 19 degrees. Sorry, my camera work is terrible. But you're going to see it's just water in there. And there's my test tubes. Okay, all we've got in there is just the pineapple juice and a bit of distilled water as well. So we haven't added any gelatin yet. Next ones. All right, 3 and 8 go into my first hot bath. Hello. Getting nice and steamy in there. All right, let's have a look. This is a great camera angle, guys. All right. Oh, it's a hot bath. So can you see that metal plate down the bottom? That's actually what's heating up the water. Okay? And you can see it's a nice, beautiful, balmy 41 degrees bath. These are quite accurate. So you can actually change what temperatures.
Can they get cold?
Shh. You can actually change your temperatures based on your particular enzyme. So maybe your enzyme has a range of like, I don't know, 10 to 20 degrees. Well, you're not going to need a 80-degree hot bath, are you? Because you'll know it'll denature at about 40 degrees. So you can adjust these as needed. Okay, let's keep going. I had a question just then of someone who wasn't listening saying, can they go cold? The hot baths cannot go cold. That's why we have to use the ice. However, when you use ice, it's really hard to get a really accurate temperature. So you're going to just have to record what temperature you can get it down to. All right, we've got our next one. I'm just going to pop this in. This one's reading 60 degrees on the dot. Those go into 60 degrees. The last two, the fresh and the tint, are going into 80 degrees. We'll see what happens. Let's give it a few minutes. Cold out.